Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today is Friday Freebie Day and this is number 18. Now this one is going to be a little bit different this week because I'm going to do an envelope challenge. So I'd love all of you to give it a go. Before I start, I just want to welcome all the new subscribers to my channel and just explain what the Friday Freebie is. I started up a Facebook group back in March when we're all on sort of lockdown, and I started doing a Friday freebie just to give you something to do, just to entertain you for a couple of hours, and I've been doing that every Friday since. So we are now on number 18. So if you're a new subscriber, please pop over. I've got the link underneath the video. There's a couple of questions I would love you to answer, very simple ones, and then in the group there's lots and lots of inspiration because all the lovely ladies and gents post some amazing stuff on there, and so I'd love you to join, and that's where you pick up all the Friday freebies. They're in files, so if you're on your telephone, I believe it's at the top, you'll see it comes up with files, and if you're on your laptop or computer, it's on your left hand side. So you'll see a little thing called files. Click on there, and you'll come up with all the Friday freebies. You can have a preview of each picture as well, so you can see what you're going to be downloading. Just print them off, print this off, and I'd love you all to join in with the challenge. Okay, so what I would like you to do is print this envelope off and decorate it with previous Friday freebies. Now I've got a couple here just to give you a quick flip to remind you. These are a few that I haven't used, and a couple of that I printed out. I haven't printed all of them out. So we've got the sewing theme, so you've got all these lovely bits to pop onto the envelopes. This was another little envelope one which you can attach to the envelope. This was the lovely fence, the butterflies and the birds. This was the beautiful green one. So look at all those lovely bits to add to the envelopes. This one was the lovely plaques on there. And then we've got this one with Believe and the dragonflies and the lovely lavender and the butterflies. We've got some more tags in there which you can add to the envelope. Oh, that was the one that we made the little folder with. So there we go, that was just a couple. We've got 17 pictures, 17 little things on there, so please do pop along and have a look. So it's quite simple. I just want you to decorate this with the Friday freebies. Now I will be picking out a couple of winners, so we will win some little bits and pieces, so it's a really lovely thing to do. So I'm going to give you a little while to do this. I'm not going to announce the winners next Friday. It'll be the Friday on the 14th of August that I'll announce the winners, and I'd like all of you to post the pictures on the Facebook group by the 12th of August. Okay, so depending on how many enter, depends on how many prizes I'm going to give away. If we've got lots and lots of entries, I'll give lots of prizes. If we've only got a few, I'll just give a few. So all depends. So please just post a picture. Doesn't matter how good or bad you think it is, just please post, because everyone will get entered into the challenge. Now I'm going to give you a quick peek at a couple of that I've already made, just to give you an idea. Now this one I've made into like a little folder, so that just opens up like that. So I've used the sewing theme on this one. So this is one of the toppers that we made in one of the videos. On the back I've used both of the sewing ones, and I've made a little pocket there, little side pocket, and I've made a little thread. It says thread and needle, so we've got needle and thread on there, and then we can open it out, and this is what we made on the Friday freebie as well, a little cluster, and I've made it into a little tuck spot with a journaling card. And this one here, all as I've done, I've folded the little tabs in, stuck them down into each corner and made a little tuck spot in there, and I popped the little rows. I've cut these down and I sewed around them, so you've got some nice little journaling tags on there which would pop in there nicely. And then in here I've got another little journaling card. So it's your imagination, so you can come up, you can pop 2 of the envelopes together, make a little journal. It's entirely up to you. The only rule is to use the Friday freebies. Okay, this one I've made into a little envelope with a pocket on the front, little journaling card there. Turn it over. I've just done a little closure with a little bit of fabric which I've attached there. Open it up there. I've popped it in some of the paper inside so it looks all pretty. I've got a little tuck spot there which I've made a journaling card like that, just slots in there, so that's easy peasy. And then you've just got your little envelope in there, and it just ties up, and the little heart on the front. So I thought that was really pretty. So they can be as simple as you like, or they can be as embellished, and your imagination can go wild. So this one I've actually left the little flaps either end. Now I put believe in yourself on there and happiness on the bottom, and then we open this up. That's the closure, and I've just made this one into a little journal. So I've covered the inside with another one of the Friday freebies there, which is a beautiful paper, and then I've just added a few journaling pages on it, and that just does up with the little closure like that and wraps around, and I've got a little pearl on the end. And on the back I've just popped a little cluster on there with fabric. Of course we've got some cheesecloth, a little bit of lace on there, so that gives you an idea. So that's 3 of them there. Okay, so please do give it a go. Pop over and get your template, just cut it out, folded lines, very simple, and decorate. So again, when you pop the your photos onto a Facebook group, I've got the link to the group underneath, so please go and pop along. Pop it on Friday Freebie 18 envelope challenge. Now I'm going to pop all the details under the video anyway, so you can go and have a look. So it's just the envelope challenge. If you put on there Friday Freebie 18 envelope challenge, and you will all be entered into it. Okay, I am going to do one because I want to involve my mum in it, because I think she would like to have a little look at all your work. So I thought, once they've all been put onto my Facebook group, I would like her to pick the favourite, one of her favourites. Okay, so then you will be receiving something from that as well. So she's going to pick her favourite and I'll send you something. Alright, so again, I'm going to put all the details under the video. Please have a go, and I can't wait to see all your entries. Alright guys, well, have a fantastic weekend, and I will speak to you soon. Alright, take care, bye bye.